Hello, y'all. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how you can effectively change your voice and still make it sound legitimate and over the phone. This is for scam baiting and everything else you want to do. So, in this particular thing, what you're going to need is Voicemeeter here, and this is downloadable software online. It's not adware, don't worry. Just a free software. Um, And yeah, that's the link to online right here. And this basically is one of the best things that I've used in a while for doing this kind of thing. And it creates a virtual output after you put your microphone through it. So you can add some filters, some audibility filters. But, what they do is they cut out at a certain decibel. So if you have background noise, it won't sound when you're not talking. And that's good if you have a lower end mic. Another thing in this, first most important thing is to set it, change the color to high and set it about right here where I have it. Makes it sound a little bit like it's coming from the phone, first of all. And then next, you're going to need this little application here. This is called Clownfish. And what this does is it sets, you can change certain effects. So let me minus out Voicemeeter there. So you can change certain effects. So if we go here, I have my pitch at 1.8, but you can mess around with this and see which one really works with you. 1.8 seems to be the best because it doesn't sound fake, and it retains kind of a realistic sound. You can always add other effects too if you think they're not going to notice. This is in particular for scam baiting. You want it to sound as realistic as possible without being your voice, and particularly sound like, you know, an older lady. This is how you do it, or an older man, depending on who you want to sound like. And yeah, that's the basics of it. So you use this in a combination with this here Voicemeeter, and then you get an output. You get a virtual output called B. This is a virtual out. What you're going to do is in your recording software and in everything really, you want to make sure that you go into here, go to open sound settings, and from here for input you're going to choose MIDI. And just to make sure that this is working right, VB audio Voicemeeter VAIO. And in order to make sure that this is working right, you go to sound control panel, which there we go. Sound control panel. What you're going to do is go to recording, and instead of using your default microphone or any other microphone, you're going to scroll down here all the way to the end and set this as default. I already have it done. Just click it and set default, and then click OK. And now in the call-in application you use, or whatever application you use to call scammers, that's what it'll sound like. It'll sound like filtered, come through here, and you can even set it as your option for your recording software. I can show you how to do that right now. Actually, let's add a little bit to this your video. I'll make it so short. You're gonna go into here, and you're gonna go to mic. Make sure your video capture device is turned all the way down. You don't need that audio. Desktop audio, you can keep it around the middle. You're gonna go into here. You're gonna click Advanced Audio Properties. Actually, no, sorry. You're gonna click on this, and you're gonna click Properties, Regular Properties, and you're just gonna select that VB Audio Voice VAIO, and that'll show up, you know, whenever you have Voicemeeter installed, so you won't have to worry about you know, putting in any extra drivers. Make sure you have Voicemeeter open, when you're doing this at all times, because otherwise it won't be filtering audio through it, and you won't get any sound. So make sure Voicemeeter is open when you're recording like this. And yeah, that's about it. That's the basics. I'll have links for Clownfish and for the other software I use. I'll have links for that down below. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the next video and or the next tutorial. I might be putting up another tutorial for you out there that are trying to learn Scambait. Anyway, thank you. Have a great day. Subscribe and stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading some Scambaiting videos. So, see y'all later.